Professor Lamarelle here, and welcome to Module 3. In this module, you are going to learn about the physical environment and what impact that has on your students' learning, as well as managing the social brain. As you probably know, we are social animals and require that connection, that human connection, in order for us to be most successful, personally and professionally, as well as academically. So, um, in these two chapters, it will show you some of the ways that we can, as educators, encourage students to be positioned in the best way to absorb information. And one of the key ways that we can really have new learning latch on is by using our senses. And so that leads me to my question for this video. How many senses do we have? Five? Six? Is there the sixth sense? What if I was to tell you that we have between 19 and 21 senses? Well, research has shown us that um, we actually have never only had five senses. We have five major sense organs that filter our 19 to 21 senses. And at the bottom of this video, I have attached some article links to see about what the different senses are. But for example, pain, sense of pain, right? That's a sense. Being hot or cold, that's a sense. Proximity, if somebody is standing right next to you, or even when somebody's looking at you, that's a sense. Um, a sense of balance, knowing where you are, like in your space, that you are balanced. That's a sense. So we have all these other senses that are actually filtered through our sense organs, our major five sense organs. So the next time you're at a party, um, present that, um, a social distancing party, or just even online, um, and see if you can, how many senses that you all can come up with, and if anybody thinks or believes you that we have more than just those five senses. Um, and I want to challenge you to start to teach others that we have more than five senses, and we have five sense organs that filter our 19 to 21 senses. So, the reason why I bring up this information is because the more senses that we enlist in our learning, the better that information is going to stick. So if we involve a sense of smell, a sense of a touch, a sense of sound, a sense of sight into that learning, we are going to be able to recall that information better, as well as remember that information better. For example, whenever if you were to study to a certain album or to a certain song, when you would the next time you would hear that song, say outside of your study time, you would be reminded of when I use this song when I study, and what you were studying the last time that you heard that song. So there's lots of learning, and there's lots of opportunities for learning, and retaining that learning if we enlist, our multiple senses. I hope you enjoyed getting this little tidbit brain fact of information, and enjoy this module.